We've just pushed to you a new update. So first type the letter U from update, or type the update, or type sudo pacman -syyu. Then the ATT comes in, and then you can launch the ATT with command or with Ctrl-Alt-E key binding, or just type ATT, or the longer version, ArchLinux Tweak Tool. What's new? It's basically this. The ISO page is a new page. It's telling you that there is an ISO builder on the system, right? Install it, remove it, launch it. Some inside information of what's happening here. So you can see a little bit already what's the point. And I needed this. ArchISO is installed. Build a vanilla ArchISO. When you go to archlinux.org, you have this download link, but somewhere around the middle of the day, of the month, and even a few days before the release, right? I want to know already what's going on with ArchISO, because that's our, well, the parent, right? Our parent. So that's a button now. Just click of a button, and basically it ends in here, ArchISO. And I got myself a ArchLinux 2026-06 and the date, the 10th, right? Then you know, if it's not 01, then you know I've built it myself rather than download it from ArchLinux. So it's basically using the ArchISO Relay, so what they're using, and as long as they update it and push it, we'll get the new stuff in. All right, use it at your convenience. It's okay. I want to try to learn from, build it up from scratch. That's vanilla, right? You have to think of everything. And then that's fun too. And certainly education-wise and thing to do, right? Cheers.